Hello there. When you hear the word noodle, what is the first thing that comes to mind? Delicious pasta, right? But what if I told you noodle has a few other fascinating meanings in English that have nothing to do with food? Let us dive in. First, noodle can be used informally as a noun for your head or your brain. Yes, your actual brain. Think of it as a playful way to refer to your intellect or your thinking capacity. For example, you might hear someone say, "You need to use your noodle to solve this puzzle." This means you need to think hard and apply your intelligence. Some synonyms for noodle in this context would be brain, mind, or head. Now, let us look at noodle as a verb. This is where it gets really interesting. One common use of the verb to noodle means to think about something in a relaxed, often undirected way, just playing around with ideas. Ye are not trying to solve a specific problem immediately, but rather exploring possibilities or musing over something. For instance, you could say, "I spent the afternoon noodling on some ideas for my new project." This implies a casual, creative brainstorming session. Synonyms for this meaning include ponder, mull over, think over, or even dabble with an idea. Another verb meaning, especially common in music, is to play an instrument casually and spontaneously, often improvising or just warming up. It is not a formal performance, but more of a free-form exploration of sounds. So, a musician might say, "I like to noodle on my guitar for a bit before my practice session." This means they are just playing around, perhaps trying out some new riffs or scales without a set goal. For this musical context, synonyms could be improvise, jam, or play around. So, whether you are enjoying a bowl of noodles, using your noodle to solve a problem, noodling on a new idea, or noodling on an instrument, this word clearly has a lot more flavor than you might have first thought. Keep exploring the wonderful world of English.